Have you ever tossed a bay leaf into a recipe and wondered, why is this even here? It's dry, it's tough, you don't eat it, and it doesn't seem to do anything. Most of us just fish it out before serving, right? But what if I told you that this overlooked leaf, sitting quietly in your spice rack, has been a secret weapon for human health for thousands of years? A tiny natural ally that modern science is now proving can help seniors fight everything from joint pain to high blood sugar, stress, and even sleepless nights. It sounds crazy, doesn't it? Too simple to be true. Therefore, today we're diving deep into the hidden power of bay leaves, not just as a kitchen staple, but as a bridge between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge research. By the end of this, you'll never look at that little leaf the same way again. Let's dive into the 13 health problems that bay leaf solves. I suggest you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you never miss any health videos just for you. Give a like and type 1 in the comments if you're enjoying the video. I hope you'll do it. Takes seconds, but it motivates me to make great videos like this. Number 1. Bay leaves help your body use insulin better, keeping blood sugar steady. But it's not about replacing your meds. It's about giving your body a natural boost, making everything work smoother. Number 2. High blood pressure. Potassium and vessel-relaxing compounds in bay leaves ease heart strain. Therefore, sipping bay leaf tea might help you feel less tightness in your chest or head, with better blood flow. So far, we've seen that bay leaves can help with blood sugar and blood pressure. Two major concerns for seniors. But now, you might be wondering, why haven't we heard this before? I mean, it's just a dry, brittle leaf, right? Let's take a step back and really understand what this little leaf actually is, and why it's been quietly powerful for thousands of years. Let's start with a quick picture. You're in your kitchen, making soup. You grab a bay leaf, toss it in, and think, the recipe says so. But then you pause. Why does the recipe say so? What's the point of this thing? For most of us, bay leaves are a mystery. They don't scream flavor like garlic or basil. They don't dazzle like saffron. They're just there. But here's the first twist. Bay leaves have never been about show. For centuries, they've been about substance. In ancient Greece, they crowned heroes and poets. In Rome, emperors wore them as symbols of victory. And across cultures, from India to the Mediterranean, people didn't just cook with bay leaves. They brewed them into teas, burned them for cleansing, and used them to ease pain, calm nerves, and even ward off illness. Therefore, the question isn't why we use bay leaves, it's why we forgot how powerful they are. In a world obsessed with quick fixes, pills, supplements, and flashy superfoods, bay leaves have been sidelined. They're too humble, too quiet. But that's exactly what makes their story so compelling. Because science is now catching up, and what it's finding might just change how you approach your health. Let's take a moment to understand why bay leaves work so well. The plant, called Laurus nobilis, isn't just for flavor. It contains natural compounds like eugenol and linalool, which might sound technical, but simply put, they help reduce inflammation, protect your cells, and support your body's natural defenses. This is why bay leaves can quietly support things like blood sugar, blood pressure, and 11 other health problems. So, if bay leaves are this powerful, why aren't they plastered across every health blog and supplement bottle? Here's the conflict. Bay leaves don't fit the modern health narrative. They're not exotic enough to market. They're not expensive enough to profit from. A dried leaf doesn't scream miracle cure like a glowing green smoothie or a rare Himalayan berry. Therefore, they've been ignored, left to gather dust while we chase the next big thing. But this is where the story gets personal, because you don't need the next big thing. You don't need to spend a fortune or chase trends. You might already have a quiet, natural solution right in your kitchen, one that's been tested by centuries of use and now by modern labs. Let's continue. Number 3. Joint pain and arthritis. Eugenol fights inflammation, easing swollen joints, but don't expect instant relief. It's a gradual process, like watering a plant. Small, consistent care yields results. Number 4. Digestion and bloating. Heavy after meals? Bay leaves kickstart digestive enzymes, reducing gas and bloating. Chew a small piece post-dinner. Just don't swallow it. Therefore, your gut feels lighter, less sluggish. Number 5. Frequent colds. Bay leaves are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. They also fight bacteria and viruses. Steam from bay leaf water clears the nasal passages. But it's not just for colds, it's year-round immune support. Number 6. Stress and anxiety. Boiling bay leaves releases linalool, a calming compound like lavender. Therefore, a cup after a tough day can slow your heartbeat and ease your mind, not drowsy, just peaceful. Number 7. Insomnia. Seniors often struggle with sleep. Bay leaf tea before bed relaxes your body naturally. But it's not a sleeping pill. It's about resetting your rhythm over weeks, not nights. Number 8. High cholesterol. Caffeic acid and rutin lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and boost good cholesterol, HDL. Therefore, your arteries stay clearer. Your blood flows better. Number 9. Headaches. Bay leaf steam relieves sinus pressure, a common headache trigger. The aroma alone can ease tension. But it's not just for headaches. It's a mini spa moment for your senses. Number 10. Sluggish. Metabolism. Aging slows your metabolism. Bay leaves stimulate digestion and liver function, giving it a gentle nudge. Therefore, you feel less stuck over time. Number 11. Kidney support. Bay leaf tea is a mild diuretic, flushing out sodium and toxins. But it's not a harsh detox. It's a light daily reset for your kidneys. Number 12. Respiratory issues. Struggling to breathe? Bay leaf steam or tea loosens mucus and soothes lungs. Therefore, it's a natural partner for allergies or chronic conditions, alongside medical care. Number 13, and the last. Overall immunity. Phytonutrients in bay leaves protect cells, reduce oxidative stress, and support healing. But it's not a cure-all. It's a foundation for staying resilient as you age. Ready to try this? Here's the simplest way to make bay leaf tea. Take 2 or 3 dried bay leaves, boil in 1.5 or 2 cups of water for 5 to 7 minutes. Steep for 5 more minutes. Strain and sip warm, ideally in the evening. Add a cinnamon stick or ginger slice for flavor and extra benefits. But here's the key. Consistency matters. This isn't a one-and-done deal. Make it a habit, daily or a few times a week. And your body will thank you. You can also use bay leaves in cooking, soups, stews, rice, or inhale their steam for respiratory relief. Therefore, it's versatile, cheap, and accessible. No fancy equipment needed. Let's take a quick detour. Ever heard of the Oracle of Delphi in ancient Greece? Priestesses would burn bay leaves to enter a trance, delivering prophecies. Sounds mystical, but there's science here. The aroma of bay leaves, linalool again, has a calming, almost meditative effect. But this isn't about fortune-telling. It's about how, even thousands of years ago, people knew bay leaves could shift your mind and body in subtle, powerful ways. Therefore, when you brew that tea, you're not just making a drink. You're tapping into a tradition that's outlasted empires. So, what's the takeaway? Bay leaves aren't a miracle. They won't replace your doctor or fix everything overnight. But they don't have to. Their power lies in their simplicity. A natural, affordable way to support your body as you age. In a world pushing pills and potions, bay leaves remind us that sometimes the best solutions are the ones we've overlooked. The ones that have been with us all along, waiting for us to rediscover them. Therefore, the next time you see that dusty jar of bay leaves in your kitchen, don't just toss one in a pot and forget it. Pick it up, brew a cup, inhale the steam, feel the warmth. Give your body a quiet, ancient ally in the fight for better health. Because sometimes, the smallest things, like a single bay leaf, carry the biggest stories. And those stories? They're written in every sip, every breath, every moment you choose to rediscover what's been there all along. So the next time you pause and wonder, why is this even here? Now you know. And now, you'll never look at that little leaf the same way again. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.